In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new membership type into the system. So if you have any pre-existing memberships that you would like to put in here, the way that we do this is we go to Functions, we're going to scroll down to Memberships, and we're going to click on Add Type. Now, this is your entry form, so you can put in a membership type that's up to 12 characters in length. Your description can be 250 characters. And then we've got quite a few drop tabs here just to make this process pretty simple. So for membership type, I'm going to call this a VIP, and we'll call that pay every month. Description, we'll call this a VIP membership. And then amount per pay cycle. Pay frequency, if it's bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, paid in full, that's going to determine the rate that you put in this field. So for a VIP membership, I'm going to put in $59.99. Now your pay frequency, you're not going to leave it on paid in full. We're going to want to do either pay every month or pay every month no term date. Now with no term date, what this means is that that membership have a number of term in months on it, so your clients can cancel at any time. There's no contract associated with that. If you click on pay every month, then your term in months you're going to have to select. So we'll have to select 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, depending on what the length of this membership is. So we'll say 12. And just to note, with that pay frequency, if you did decide to select pay every month, no term date, all you have to do is select term and months to 0. With term and days, the only reason why you're going to be using this drop tab in this category is if you're selling or giving away a 5-day membership trial. With the initiation fee, you can keep this at 0, or we could set this to $15, $20, depending on how much initial commitment you want from your clients. With the subtypes, what this does is we've got a primary, secondary, and then your third. With these, we're actually going to have another video to explain how this process works in a little bit more detail. However, just to note, with the primary account, that's normally like a corporate account. Secondary would be the corporate account's employee, and then your third would be the employee's family or the employee's spouse. With the priority level, this is going to allow you to break up and color code your different membership types. So none and low are going to show up in blue, normal and high are going to show up in yellow, and higher and highest, you're going to have those show up in red or in orange as well. So you get to color code how these different priority levels are associated with the membership types. With the product category, what this does is it organizes the purchase process and it provides totals by category on financial reports if you needed to refer back to them. Income category, this is another reporting category, and it subtotals groupings across different modules. So membership, service, and point of sale, it will break those up for you. Can your member renew online? Yes or no. Non-members, can they purchase online? Yes or no. And should we apply a tax? Yes or no. Now the way that you set up the tax rates is not in here. You're actually going to go to Tools, System Settings, and there'll be an area in there where you're able to adjust that tax rate. Access Control Group, what this does is it allows you to create memberships that allow access only on specific days and times. And we're going to also have another video set up for this. But in the meantime, if you need more information, just go into the knowledge base and search on limited access, and it's going to pull up some information as to what this is in a little bit more detail. Additional service fees, these are all custom fields that you can create. So it's not necessarily going to be massage, locker, or towel. You can label those whatever you want depending on what add-ons you have. So with that being said, the fees also that are associated under the additional service fees, these are going to bill at the same frequency as the service, but they can be changed at the point of purchase if for any reason you need to change those. The rate, the term, the enrollment fee, and the service inclusion price, all of these can actually be adjusted at the point of purchase or post-sale by an administrator. So with that being said, I'm going to click on Add Membership Type. And when it says that this type was successfully added to the system, then that means we're good to go. You have your VIP membership set up now. It's ready for sale. Down here is going to determine whether or not you've made this available for clients to renew this online, for non-members to be able to purchase online. And if you have any questions about this process or how to set these up, please give our client service team a call or send us a support ticket, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have.